Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC has seen a reaction or rejection just below the ideal target for this move to the upside, $1.11. At the moment, it's entirely possible still to see one more high, so I'm going to talk about that today. If throughout the day it becomes clear that we will not get one more extension higher, then I will add a support area to the chart later today. We'll communicate that first in the gold membership and then probably in the video in the next video, which will be released. At the moment, it's a bit too early to add a support area for wave 2 because one more high is still possible. And the idea is still that this is a leading diagonal pattern. I mean, we have a pretty nice 5-wave move to the upside. We have a very clear 3-wave move in wave 1, which gave us already a hint that this would be a diagonal pattern, cannot be an impulse whatsoever. Then this was a wave 2 to the downside. This here, a wave 3, ABC, then a wave 4, ABC, and now this seems to be an ABC in wave 5. The ideal target is around $1.11, possibly $1.24, and anything above that is a stretch target, which would be $1.44, but it's quite far away from here. For now, the idea is that, yeah, we possibly still move in this C wave, basically the last bit higher. Okay, so as I said, the largest probability element or the highest probability element and the largest part of this rally immediately is likely done. We should soon get a wave 2 pullback, possibly after one more high. And this could be our breakout setup that could send the price in a third wave rally to around about $3 and beyond first, but then bull market targets are around $10. Okay, that's not going to happen in a few weeks. Okay, so just need to manage expectations here, but still we will have this breakout setup on the chart, and as long as the wave 2 support area is going to hold, we can watch for a third wave rally and can expect that. But there will be a level where also this is going to break. Support levels break. That's what they do regularly. It's a risky market. It's the crypto market. Altcoin charts especially are very volatile, so support areas can break. But that's exactly why we manage risk and why we put these boxes on the chart, because they are useful for risk management. So now zooming into the detail, this wave 4 should really be over soon, or it gets too large to be reliable. If we are dealing here still with a C wave to the upside, then I really would like to avoid that the price breaks below the 50% retracement. I think I mentioned that yesterday. And that's basically the 95-cent level. Okay, so price has so far avoided to break below it. A break below 95 cents will be an early indication that a top has formed already. Now, because this is a C wave, it can always turn into some kind of a diagonal pattern again, okay? So I will not rule out another further extension below 95 cents, but it means that this move up is certainly not an impulse. And we'll see, we'll see. If you want a little bit more space, which we have to give it in a diagonal, then we're likely dealing here with the 92-cent level. That might actually work well. If we get one more low here, then it might be just a retest of that trend line. Top, and then maybe just a retest. And then another rally, one more high. That's sort of what I could still see as a possible, a possible structure. But just be aware that really below 92 cents, I think probabilities significantly increase for a deeper pullback then. So looking at it from a trend line point of view, I mean, you can also add a bit of a trend line here. Again, they're not very not very objective. Maybe like this, okay? But we'll see, we'll see how that develops. Key, I think, is to understand that we now have 5 waves up. So in case a deeper pullback shows, it would be a setup that I think many people have been waiting for. I mean, we only had a setup like the last few weeks, all right, for this 5th wave to unfold. But the really interesting setup, I think, will show once the wave 2 pullback occurs. Now, I will have to consider that the wave 2 pullback can be shallow because we are in a bullish market. So I will also add the very high level Fibonacci retracement levels, but we need some kind of an evidence to say that, okay, this is not part of wave 1 anymore. And I would personally give it space to 92 cents. Below that level, I will start to track a detailed wave count to the downside. That doesn't mean that the price couldn't find some kind of a weird way to still extend higher directly in wave 1, but it would then start to get more probable that the wave 2 is already unfolding. But overall, I'm still leaning to the idea that this is a bullish scenario. It's been more confirmed now with that fifth wave to the upside, and any pullback that's corrective can be an opportunity. Yeah. Whereas if we then break below wave 2 support, it's not one anymore, but at the moment I would expect it to hold the wave 2 support zone. It's just too early to add it. I added a micro support zone, so you get some levels here to watch, and to the upside, if we get another high, the area between $1.11 and $1.24 seems to be a reasonable target area. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links for those in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.